Hi, it's Jared with LearnToWinTrading.com. Going to go over my trades I made this morning for January 16th, 2009. I had a positive day, but it didn't start out the best for me. Actually, today I felt was a little bit tricky for me to trade. My first trade, I broke even, which I consider as a loss because, well, I paid commission on that trade, but breaking even's really not bad at all. I was actually pleased that I got out of the trade when I did. My second trade, I only made a tick on the E-mini S&P 500, which is 0.25 points. And then my third trade, I made 0.75 points. I tried to get out at 1 point, but it fell just short when I got out for a total of 1 point today, which is 10% on my money. Now, that's not bad. Really, I'm pleased with 10% a day. So, let me show you how the market looked this morning and why it was a little tricky for me. The market opened right here. And you can see how it jolted up and then turned around again. Well, it turned around and looked like a good stair step that would continue going and moving in the uptrend. And that is a sign of an uptrend going on when you see a higher low. Here we got a low, low, and a higher low as it turned around. So I entered somewhere around this line right here, and it would have run 0.75 points my way before the next candle turned around on me. So when I saw this reversal signal show itself, I got out of the trade, and at that point I was breaking even. So it wasn't bad, but I just got I just trading the wrong trade. Beautiful divergence trade though, and obviously I didn't enter this because I like to cool down just for a minute after I take a loss, so kind of collect myself again. But you can see how far this ran in the opposite direction, and had I passed on this trade, I definitely would have entered this one, which is too bad. It was just my timing, but you can see how well that one ran. It started to suck back again, and I felt like, well, if it's on a downtrend and we see a low here, a lower low here, a high here, a lower high here, that's a sign of a downtrend. So I thought, well, it's going to continue, and you can see I entered on this candle as it went down. It ran about a point my way after my entry and then started turning around again on me with a reversal signal. The reversal signal was more clear on the 200-tick chart, so I got out and actually made a tick on this one. I tried to get out at a half point, but I was getting out for a tick less than I was trying to get out today. So not bad. I came out positive and actually paid for the commission I paid on the other trade and in this trade. So I was still a little bit positive today. And once again, the divergence signal is more clear on the 200-tick chart, but divergence showed and it ran the way of the divergence. So it was a good trade going the other way. Well, right about here is where I made the third trade for today, and where I made, I guess, my money, you could say. But it was more clear on the 200-tick chart. So let me show you and compare and show you why I went in on the 200-tick chart. Here it goes on the 200-tick chart. Where it crosses this line on the 1 minute is about where this happened. And I was looking at the support line from this high coming across here, and I knew that if it was going to hesitate a little bit, if it broke that support, it would run. And I saw it suck back, and I saw it coming back around. Obviously, this was a good stair step here, and it is breaking this line of support. So I entered 2 ticks above that and got in about right there, and it ran for me. It actually ran 2 points, and my profit target on my trades is set at 2 points. But I got out because I wasn't having the best day, and it ran a point and then started looking like it was going to suck back. So I just got out and ended up with 0.75. I tried to get a full point out of that, but I was down a tick. So had I been in a little bit longer and just been a little more patient, it would have hit my profit target, but not too bad. 10%, can't complain with that. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.